What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to increase the speed of your scooter, unlock it in 2025, and also it's available in 2026. So here I have Ninebot F3, also this hack working for F3 Pro, ZT3 and many other scooters such as G2 actually is operating quite well with this hack G3. F65, F2, so actually many models support this sort of unlock. Currently I have maximum 25 km per hour, so let's check it out. In a sport, I'm in a sport mode here. So it's riding 23, 24, 25 km per hour, so it's maximum one. And currently I will show you how to increase it to 32 km per hour in a very simple way. So this method is required to purchase the special things here. So it's from AliExpress. The cost of it is around from $20 to $30, so this is for F3 Pro, and actually it will not void your warranty because you always can dismantle it, so it's not a software unlock method when sometimes after update you cannot do it. Here you install it here in a wheel, so you need to dismantle 4 screws here. It's regular when you bought your scooter, you also put them aside, so actually if you dismantle it, it will not void your warranty. Let me do it now and I will show you how to install it here and how to increase your speed. Here we have 4 screws. Let's do it right now just to dismantle it. It's not that difficult, take maybe 2-3 minutes to do it. So finally the last one actually dismantled. Now let's disable it. Just disable the scooter, then you can put this thing off. Find some way to handle it, then you need to unscrew here. So actually put a bit more pressure the first time, then it's dismantled to 2. Then you need to use our special device that we ordered from AliExpress here. Let's actually put it on a one way here. Wait a second, you have the indicators here, let's find it. And the second way here. So very simple. Like this, then it's quite small. So you put everything back. Actually nothing really difficult. Spend not much time. Okay, so it's ready. Now don't need to put it back. First test it out before screwing it back. Let's try it out now. Whoa, it's going to 44 kilometers, 45 even. So actually we unlock it to 45 kilometers per hour and it's working quite well. And this method is still working well in 2025 and 2026 also will work well. I suggest when you just purchase your scooter, never update it. Otherwise you may lose the opportunity to unlock it. But even an updated version is supposed to work. Let's try switch the mode to eco mode. So eco mode now is 25 kilometers per hour. Let's switch to drive mode. So the drive mode is actually 35, 45 and 25, what we've got here, working well, and actually it's a very easy hack. And what next you need to do, use your screws, put it back, very simple, again starting from the top. Okay, I already finished, so as you see this hack is working well in 2025 and 2026. The link to this device is in the comment below, actually working well. And it will not void your warranty. Again, that's the biggest advantage, and you got the maximum speed. Of course, depends on your weight. You will ride maybe differently. So someone can reach 45, someone can reach 40. So if you're 120 kilo, of course it will be hard to reach 45. But if you're 70 kilogram, I think 45 or 80 even will be acceptable. So I will test it out more deeply and record a separate video. As for now, that's pretty much it. In case you still have some questions, just put in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.